YStocks has lot of option for scanning volume because volume is one of the most important aspect of technical analysis. This window is divided into two parts with help of these radio buttons. The first option is select stocks where today's volumes were greater than n number of bars or the highest lifetime volume. Initially we will scan where the volumes are highest and the volumes are really nice, the highest visible in the chart, or say 200 bars. Now we will scan for the lifetime volume, highest volume. Lux Vilas. Now we will explore the second part of this scan. Second part of this scan has option of select stocks where last bar or last 3 bar volumes were some percentage higher than average of last 50 bars, 30 bars. And as you can see, the volumes are higher in comparison of last average volume. If you want to see higher volume, then you can increase this percentage like 100%, 200%. Now this option where the price has gone maximum by some percentage. Second option is where the price is down by some percentage, but we won't be exploring it right now. And the last option, which is RSI level, which help us in scanning stocks which has shown the higher volume at top of the swing or the bottom of the swing. In this option we are scanning for where RSI scan results. And if we change to RSI level like below 30, then most of the result will be near to the bottom, at present current bottom. Okay, you see that volume